Raising backyard chickens can be a fun and rewarding experience, offering fresh eggs and a step towards self-sufficiency. Before getting started, it's essential to choose the right breed. Some chickens are better suited for egg production, while others are more resilient to climate changes. For beginners, breeds like Rhode Island Reds or Australorps are great choices due to their hardiness and consistent egg laying. Next, you'll need a coop. A well-built, secure coop protects your chickens from predators and gives them a safe place to roost. Make sure there's enough ventilation and room for the chickens to move around, ideally 4 square feet per bird inside the coop. Adding perches and nesting boxes helps keep the chickens comfortable and encourages regular egg laying. Now, what do chickens eat? A balanced diet is key. Chicken feed should be their primary source of nutrition, but they also enjoy table scraps and insects. Fresh water is equally important and should be readily available at all times. Caring for chickens involves more than just feeding them. Daily chores include checking for eggs, cleaning the coop, and monitoring the flock for signs of illness. Keeping the coop clean helps prevent disease and makes it a pleasant environment for your birds. Watch out for common issues like mites, respiratory infections, or egg-laying problems. Early detection and treatment are essential. Over time, you'll start to enjoy the benefits of raising chickens, fresh eggs, natural pest control, and the satisfaction of knowing where your food comes from. Plus, chickens are fun to watch and they make great additions to any homestead or backyard. So whether you're interested in raising chickens for fresh eggs, sustainability, or just as a hobby, this guide has you covered. Start small, keep learning, and soon you'll have a thriving flock right in your backyard.